How do I use the flexible crevice tool with the LED light on my Riccar R70 accessory package? Hey, I'm Josh from Riccar, and one of the nice things about the R70 is it comes with a flexible crevice tool. When you buy the accessory package, things get a little bit better and funner. What I mean by that is this. We're gonna take it and put it in handheld unit. Of course, this is how it would work standard, but when we buy the accessory package, we now get a electrified wand that runs the stick vacuum power head, but also allows us to extend the reach of our flexible crevice tool, and the light will light up and we've got more range. More range with the flexible crevice tool. Keep in mind that it will not work with the hose because the hose is not electric. Hope this helps, and happy vacuuming.